This is a dataset created by SAS. It is the gold standard for analytics. You usually need a paid license, but the SAS University Edition allows you to view it for free. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the viewer. Quick setup recommendation. Download and install a reliable universal file opener. It's the simplest way to check if your SA7BDAT file is truly broken. I'll link the software below. A SA7BDAT file is a data file created by SAS Statistical Analysis System software. It stores data sets, which can include variables, observations, and associated metadata. These files are commonly used in statistical analysis, data mining, and business intelligence applications for storing and managing structured data. SA7BDAT files are proprietary to SAS and adhere to a specific binary format. They contain header information describing the data structure, followed by the actual data values. The format supports various data types, including numeric, character, and date values. Accessing and manipulating SA7BDAT files typically requires SAS software or compatible viewers. SAS developed by SAS Institute Inc. is often used as the source validator for SA7BDAT. The system gives a basic report, but ignores the file's complex structure. Windows cannot display relational structures, so specialized software must read the file. The easiest way to identify the error source is testing. Right-click the SA7BDAT file and hit Open With. Use SAS if installed. If it's not present, choose another program. We must find the correct software handler. If you still can't open the SA7BDAT file, it's okay. The primary software didn't cooperate. That's fine. We pivot. I need you to execute these 3 focused steps to pinpoint the exact SAS7BDAT error. First, use SAS. Open the file using SAS, Statistical Analysis System software, as this is the primary application for the proprietary dataset. Next, use Alternative tool. Use a programming language, e.g. Python with the Pandas library and SAS7BDAT reader, or a compatible statistical package. Finally, check encoding. If characters appear corrupted, check the file's encoding and ensure the reader is using the same encoding. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. If your issue is resolved, please comment Fixed below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.